pizza.
For pickle pizza, and it smells amazing.
Angela's Dill Pickle Pizza, white garlic sauce, mozzarella cheese, dill pickles, ranch drizzle.
And it's fresh made.
Faux shizzle my drizzle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
it just came out as we ordered it. That's a thick pizza.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
Oh my god.
I can smell the dill.
Pretty good?
That's so good. Oh my word. Why we need this by us.
They
Oh, God.
also have a famous giant mozzarella stick. So we're gonna give that a try too. We gotta find a place to eat.
Tram car.
Oh look, a little train.
Where's the tram car, please? Where's the tram
Little
car,
train, train,
Oh my
tram.
This is so good. I drank a cup of wine, so this is a little. Isn't it delish?
I mean, it's not as crazy as you made it seem. It's good.
It's so good.
It's interesting dill pickle flavor on pizza. I would eat this again, but I would still prefer Meat Lover's pizza over this pickle pizza.
I would take the pickle pizza.
I don't know.
I'm so hungry. Eat that.
It's
so I can
getting
have
very runny with the pickle juices. Yeah, what do you think?
What do you think?
It's good, but I prefer white pizza.
It's a giant cheese stick.
You know how big that cheese stick is.
You have it right here.
It's a quarter pound
Holy hell.
of cheese, fried cheese. I mean, I don't know. This just falls right out anyway. I don't know what the point of that is. Wait till you see how stringy that is.
You like string?
Oh, I can't wait to try that.
Sticks?
But I'm into this dill pickle. Oh my god. Holy moly.
The breading is seasoned.
Oh.
It's so good.
This pickle pizza, Angela's.
I would actually take the mozzarella stick over that pizza.
Really?
Yes.
Is it yum?
It's good.
Oh, I can't wait to try it. Buddy?
It's not hot. It's not hot.
No, it's not. I mean, it's good temperature. It's just not like steaming hot.
My cheese in its string.
No. I think it's cooling down too fast. There you go. I'm gonna get this tomorrow again.
It's really good.
Where's your napkins, Mom?
The
No.
wine's hitting. The pickle pizza.
That was full 1 minute ago.
About a minute ago. It's coconut lime wine. I found a wine tasting.
Coconut lime wine.
Coconut lime.
So how is that?
Oh,
At the Biggie Wine Cafe.
You okay? You got
it's
scared.
really good.
Yes.
But
I know, you like pickles better.
I like the pickle pizza better.
Imagine if they could figure out how to put pickles in the middle of that.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Just cheese and pickles?
A fried pickle. Look, there's
Yes.
a hollow
You could
center.
put a whole pickle in there. Alright, that was Angela's Pizza. Amazing. Pickle pizza. Get here to the Biggie to eat that pickle pizza and the giant mozzarella stick.
I'm getting the
Alrighty.
pickle pizza again tomorrow.
What was better, the mozzarella stick or the pickle pizza?
Mozzarella stick.
Pickle
I'm
pizza.
a little torn. I do really like that dill flavor on that pickle pizza, but
Holy hell.
either
Y'all.
way, why don't you just get both?
If you own a pizza shop, you need to be doing Angelo's style pickle pizza.
Yes.
It's so good.
So subscribe to a lot of more videos. We got more to do, more videos coming out. Until next time.
That's
Last night.